Hi, I'm Bob, and this is my wife Selena. And it was a pleasure working with Michael. And not only did he help us find the home that we were looking for, not just a house, but the home, but he also helped us sell our old home. And there were some obstacles there by having to get under contract on the new one and selling the old one in time. We got pretty close to that contract window being closed, and Michael really doubled down and made sure that we had more open houses, made sure that we had people coming through. And right at the end is the perfect buyer came. Michael didn't leave us though after the house was done. Everything was closed, title agency's all done. He was there even after the sale. No matter when we text him, he was there for us. He made us feel like we were his only client. And that is rare and hard to find these days. So if you're looking for a good realtor that'll take care of you more than just making a sale, that's Michael Venesky.